How to cancel auto renewal on Rosetta Stone. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial where you would learn how you can cancel automatic renewal on Rosetta Stone. So let's go. First of all, log in into your Rosetta account and ensure that you're on a paid subscription already. And so once you've done that, your home page will not look like mine because I'm currently on the free version. By the top right corner of your screen, you will see your avatar icon. Okay. Once you see that, click on it and then select my account from the drop down menu. So when you select my account, you'll be taken to your accounts page. All right, where you see a list of options. Among the options that you would see is your products. All right, click on that. Once you click on your products, you will see other options. Ensure you select turn off auto renewal. All right, turn off auto renewal. Once you see that, click on it and then you'll see some prompts asking you why do you want to turn it off. Select the reason and then click confirm the cancellation, and then your auto renewal of your subscription will be cancelled automatically. And the reason I can't show you vividly is because I'm on the free version of Rosetta Stone. But for you, since you're on the pro version, you see your account icon, click on it, you see your product, select it, and amongst the options displayed, select turn off auto renewal and follow the prompt and you are good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.